everyone, we are now here in the Skywalk of Kathmandu. We actually have no idea that this exists here, and that's what it looks like. That one. So we're going up there. It's I think it's 1,000 rupee per person, and yeah, so amazing. Like if you search on Google like tourist spots in Nepal or Kathmandu, you won't see that. So maybe this is a new creation here. Yay! So we're now inside Skywalk, and then that's the building. And then they said that this is actually the tallest building in Kathmandu, right? Like when you Google Kathmandu, like it'll just show you like not so good images, but wow, Kathmandu is actually nice. It's so beautiful. Like, I like it, and it's like it's booming, it's growing, it's just amazing. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go, and I like the weather here, so it's cold. Wow, this is better than Bangkok. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not as high as Skywalk in Bangkok, but this one is actually better. See? So it's 256 feet in height, and then yeah, and then you can take a video. Unlike in I remember in Skywalk Bangkok, you're not allowed to take a video or to vlog, if I'm not mistaken. But wow, look at this, so nice. So let's try alone, kind of like fruit. This is actually really my favorite. Oh my gosh. This is scary. Oh my gosh, I am not looking.
Try some jumping.
No, it's not allowed. I want to see this one. Oh my god, so this is open. Oh my god, it doesn't have any cover. So it's actually open.
Can you fit through though?
Yeah. Oh my god, look at the view. So nice. Stop. Why do you like to do that? Oh my gosh. Just don't. Wow, Nepal is really beautiful. I mean, like it's a nice city. Like it doesn't have really like a high buildings, like just a city life in Bangkok or Tel Aviv, but my gosh, the weather is so nice. It's cold, right, Abby?
Sweater weather.
Wow. So nice. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, I can feel you. No!
No what?
Don't go there, no, near the glass. Why? That's what the almost
Oh my gosh, it's really like scary-ish. Like a little bit.
So many. Go. What are you doing?
Stop giving me carrots, you guys. Look at this.
Just look at the view on that side. It's just so nice, right? Look at the mountains, the sun. So we also have this thing here, like a window, or not a window, like a glass as well. So kindly do not lean on the glass. You know what? It's kind of scary because I can really feel that it's moving, but it's really cool. Oh, there's a small mouse there. It's so cute. Yeah, just look at the view of this mountain. It's just so crazy, right? The sunset and stuff. Like, I'm really amazed of Kathmandu or Nepal in general. Like, like I'm just really amazed because because in Google, like, you won't see this, honestly. Like, it's just show you the ugly side of it, I guess. But no, oh my gosh, like, Kathmandu is definitely so nice, and it's so cold. I'm telling you, like, the weather is really nice. Sweet. I forgot my watch, so I don't know how many degrees Celsius now. But for sure it's maybe like 15 or 18 or 19, something like that. Alright, so the video is done. Like, the skywalk is done. We're going out now. So that's the end of this video. So that's the skywalk once again. So thank you so much for watching this video. We're going home now. So yeah, if you do like it, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Sass reminding you all to stay golden. No, thank you.